I remember one of the most dramatic experiences in Big City Port. Now, so far, I haven't told you that much about Zebedee. And well, he may be a part of the Z-Stacks, but unlike someone like Zorn, Zebedee is actually a good person. He doesn't want to harm anyone. And he truly is a good friend. He has a soft spot for smaller tugs, like 10 cents and Sunshine. However, one day, something would happen to Zebedee that wasn't very good. Johnny Cuba is a gangster who was once one of Captain Zero's friends. And why they aren't anymore, and there's a lot to their shady history, but one day, Johnny Cuba decided to slip it into port. Oi, you're not allowed to enter. Move away, you little, hey! Zebedee had a long day and was going out by the estuary until, oh no, it's Johnny Cuba. Oi! Oh no, you don't. Please, Mr. Cuba. I can't really ram you now, can't I? Hey, you, sneak me into port and find me some coal, or else you'll find yourself at the bottom of the ocean. And that's an order. Yes, Mr. Cuba. Zebedee found some coal and got Johnny a good hiding place. This'll do, for now. I'll just report this to Captain Zero. What? No, you're just joking, you little runt. Now get out of my sight before I make you. Zebedee couldn't really tell this to anyone. He was in a big pickle. If he would tell Captain Zero this, then he'd probably get fired from the Z-Stacks. And if he kept helping Johnny Cuba, he's not someone you want to mess with, I'll leave it like that. Stranger things started to happen. Zebedee was even helping some of the TUGS by an ocean liner docking. And things just weren't seeming right for him. It wasn't until... Oi, Zebedee, there you are. Hey, Zoran. What do you hope the stars dot that ocean liner yesterday? Because they needed her. There are competitors. If you waste your time helping them get in front and us behind... Oh, be quiet, Zoran. Oh, you... Zebedee was in too much right now. Zorn's screaming at him because of what he did to the stars, what Captain Zero might do to him, and everything with Johnny Cuba, and that the fact he also had to do his normal jobs. I have to tell someone like the Coast Guard. This is quick and serious. He continued to do stuff with Johnny Cuba, and to say it wasn't going good would be an understatement. It wasn't until, I'm back, Mr. Cuba. Did you bring any coal? A little bit, it's not enough. Well, Hello, what's going on here? Oh no, it's Hercules. Zebedee, it seems like you're with Captain Zero's good old friend, Johnny Cuba. We'll report him to the authorities. Not if you can get me. Hey, no, you don't. Yeah! Are you blocking me, you idiot? They can't hold Johnny Cuba. But the authorities did hold Johnny Cuba. Zebedee was even praised for his actions. Well, Captain Zero gave him a stern word. Guys like 10 Cent said he did the right thing. And Zebedee knows that truly he did.